Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to avoid flickering while adjusting brightness on your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop. So your ASUS VivoBook S15 laptop has an OLED display which functions kind of differently from most other laptops displays, and if you dim the screen of this device like this, you will see these flickering effects on your screen. They are hardly visible on a static screen. They are better visible on the camera. However, we can adjust the screen brightness and dim the screen without flickering by going to the Start menu, then going to Start menu, then go into All Applications list right here, then scroll down to MyASUS app and open it. It's a pre-installed application on your laptop, and if you don't have it, you can also download it from the Microsoft Store. Then here, open the device settings menu, scroll down it to OLED flicker-free dimming, and here you can adjust the brightness of your device. And as you can see, there is almost no dimming of the screen while we are lowering the brightness of the display. And if we compare this to the standard brightness leveling on our device, then the difference is just incomparable. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.